Makeup can show you the immediate results after a few steps, but skincare does not work that way. It requires your time and effort in practicing the routine for the product to nourish your skin. While skincare sounds a bit tedious to some people, it is essential to maintain a youthful appearance. Here is a minimized 7-step nighttime skincare tutorial for beginners. Hi everyone, it's Natalie from Culture Channel. In my previous video, I showed you guys how to do a daytime skincare routine. If you haven't watched it yet, click on the link right here to watch it. Some of you requested a nighttime skincare tutorial, so here we are today. I will show you 7 steps of a nighttime skincare routine. And now let's get started. First, I will remove my makeup with this cleansing balm from Clinique. It's a must-have step for everyone because this product helps eliminate makeup, sunscreen, excess oil and dirt on your face. Take a small amount like this and then massage your hands together. Then apply it on your skin. Don't forget your lips. After massage your face, clean your face with warm water. Make sure to use warm water in this step as it will emulsify the balm and dissolve the makeup. Next, I will use a foaming cleanser also from Clinique. This step called double cleansing. It will take away all the oil from the cleansing balm on my skin and it will keep my skin smoother and clearer. Take a small amount like a pea size like this. Also massage with your hands together like this. And then I will start applying on my skin. Massage is upward. Every movement upward. You don't want to pull your skin down. It will make your skin look saggy. Around the eyes and your forehead. And then wash your face with cool water. Next, I will use daily microfoliant from the Malochica. This helps exfoliate dead skin cells and skin will become brighter and smoother. Add the product on your palm about half of a teaspoon. Mix it with some water to form a creamy paste. Massage the mixture all over your face. It smells so good. It smells like rice. When you exfoliate your skin regularly, it helps other treatment products absorb deeper into the skin. Everyone can use this product, but it works best for those who have oily and acne-prone skin. Because it has salicylic acid that helps fight against breakout. What I love about this product is that it gives instant results. It is also gentle enough for daily use. Now my skin is clean and fresh, I will apply serum on. I am using the active serum from It's Clinical to prevent aging, decrease fine lines and wrinkles, even my skin tone. I have breakouts recently, so I use this product 2 to 3 times per week. Take 4 to 5 drops into the balm and then tap it on your skin until it's absorbed. There will be a cooling sensation because of the active ingredients. Now I will apply a mask on. This step will have the product, the serum, absorb deeper into the skin. Today I'm using Neostrata Mask Bionic Oxygen Recover. I usually use a mask 2 to 3 times per week for immediate hydration. Take a generous amount and then massage it into your face. Just a thin layer on top. And then wait for around 6 to 7 minutes. As you can see, there are some bubbles on my skin, which delivers molecular oxygen, helps energize and rebalances stress skin. After 6 to 7 minutes, rinse off with cool water. Every time I do this, my skin feels so refreshing. It seems like the product helps my skin plump up and gives a glowy effect. I will still apply a thin layer of a moisturizing lotion from CeraVe. If you already watched my previous video, you might already know how comfortable and effective this product on the skin. Take a pea size of it. This and then tap it, apply it on the skin, upward movement. Don't forget your neck. Apply all the products on your neck too. If you have a really dry skin, I would recommend the cream version instead of this lotion. Last but not least, I always use anti-wrinkle eye care. This Hydra Filling Eye Gel Cream from Neostrata. This anti-aging product contains hyaluronic acid and polyhydroxy acid, delivers plumping moisture to the eye contour area, and it helps to decrease the fine lines, wrinkles, and smooth out your under the eyes area. Use your ring finger to apply the product under the eye. So we have done the 7 steps of a nighttime skincare routine. You will be surprised how glowy your skin in the next morning. If you have any questions for me, leave in the comment down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video. I hope that you will have some helpful tips from this video, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bells, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Good night!